everybody and welcome to me, Ian the Tiger, with the game with my new little birdie skin. Yay! Let's try and play this game. Do I like it? Probably not. Okay, yep, the wall and the eyes and that thing. Cool. Ally is close. Cool. The only go away. Let's see. Go away with that little thing. Go away and give me heal. That is a long time I have played the bird. It is actually fun to play an EV again. I know the name of her. Ah. So close. So I was only with one kill, or one assist. I should call it for that. Two assists, cool. Damn. So close. And you need it. Oh. I got one. Someone is coming? Ah, dang it. Of course. Well, I tried to do the same actually. But I like to play the little bird. Bird, bird, bird is the word. Bird, 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 bird is the word. Bird, bird, bird is the bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. Are you tired of me? Probably. It's me. Oh, sorry. Bird, it's a word. Somehow I'm boring myself to death. Okay, I will not take the first. Okay, maybe I should take the first one. But I still have my passive. Ow. Boom, headshot. When is that back again? Ah, god. I'm not going for that. That's stupid, and I'm not. I will have it. Go for it. Got it. Who has the... Oh. Cool. Who did not die from our side? Me, MF, Barriers. Can I be patient to wait a bit? Okay. I don't need heal, but thank you. I more need mana. And the other thing. But thank you for the mana. Ah, come on, I only have 12 minions. Why do it with me? Oh yeah, because I have stun, and that is a kind of far distance. Go, 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 it's a word. Go, go. I have plan too. Only 1, 2. Nope. You know what? Fuck that shit. And my bird is still not dead. cool. Oh, come on. But still, we are 3 people who not die yet. Holy shit. I don't have anything. Sorry. Oh, I still have passive. Duh. And the potion. Oh. I know I'm still alive somehow, but I don't want to use my egg too early. Thank you. So nice to keep me alive. Ah, and I want to die. I still have passive. Ah, so close. Did I not hit her? Five per seconds. Eh. Yay! I did something for the team. Okay, maybe running back. Okay, yeah. Die. I be like a bitch. Cool. Aww. But the bird wants to die. Someday. Oh. Use of mana. I do not care about the damage of the life. I'm only here for the mana. But I want to die to see what I can buy. Because I do absolutely no damage. After my third. Well, it's our last one. You cannot run. Ah, come on. Why surrender? Why should I can't play this? Let's see what I get. Probably nothing. Okay. So, thank you so much for watching, I think. Don't know. It was so fast, I didn't realize how long. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Okay, fine with me. So, as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye, Tigers. If I could speak. 15 minutes! Bang! Bye, Tigers.